Good afternoon, Rex. It's a pleasure to interview you in our studio today.
Appreciate invite.
We've been looking forward to meeting you.
Thank you.
Let's start with 5 of your most notable characteristics.
Let's begin.
You exude an air of mystery and captivate the attention of many women admirers.
I good looking cat.
Bro, you're goofy looking.
You've compared yourself with the bravado of Julius Caesar.
I fearless cat.
Bro, mice scare you.
In your autobiography, it says you excel in academics.
I smartest cat.
Bro, you're the dumbest kid in your class.
You say high-performance sports are in your DNA.
I athletic cat.
Bro, you eat and sleep all day.
You've written many books about your exotic adventures.
I been to the moon.
Bro, you have never left your house.
What is this? You set me up. Bro, this. You like it now, bro? Couple more, buddy, bro.